Hello and welcome to KBA Training Centre e-learning portal. These courses are called KBAT ByteSize. It is fun, interactive and full of learning experiences. There will be one module in each of the 10 courses available. Throughout the course, you will experience case studies, understanding of the different hazards, risk control, and most importantly, safety. There will be fun and engaging activities and short quizzes throughout the course. After the module, there will be practice questions followed by the final assessment. Our e-learning is mobile-friendly. You can log in to our e-learning portal anytime, anywhere, using computer, tablet, or your mobile phone. For more information, do not hesitate to contact us or send us an email. What are you waiting for? Register now and let's begin!